Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable emoji on iPhone keyboard. So if the emoji keyboard is missing on your iPhone, and now you want to bring back the emoji keyboard, which is this, then let me show you how you can fix this. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to bring back your emoji keyboard or fix emoji keyboard missing on your iPhone, just go ahead and open the settings app. Then scroll down, locate and click on General. Scroll down General and then click on Keyboard. Now, click on Keyboards. Then, if this emoji keyboard is missing here, this is what you simply need to do. Just click on Keyboard. Then click on Add New Keyboards. Now, if you see Suggested Keyboard, go ahead and select emoji. And if it's not on Suggested Keyboard, just go ahead and come here, search for emoji. Then select it, hit the bar button. Now, the emoji keyboard will be available on your iPhone keyboard at the bottom left whenever you want to use the keyboard, like this. And then that's it. So that's exactly how to enable emoji keyboard on iPhone keyboard. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.